we only have 3 million people. So we cannot sell to only 3 million people with a per capita GDP of less than 7,000 and become rich. We're going to have to find new markets. So we're going to have to export. So export became an imperative, a major imperative for my ministry. How do we help people to export? How we help them to create new products and services?
The Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce is not just concerned with export. The broader mission is to support business innovation and growth for economic prosperity. Approximately $8.7 billion will be invested into this mandate for the 2025-26 fiscal year. $1.2 billion of this will be earned from the operations of the Company's Office of Jamaica and fees collected from other ministry departments. $1.3 billion will go into policy formulation and implementation and the central administration work of the ministry. This includes membership fees and contributions to a number of local, regional, and international organizations, as well as ICT and international standardization services. Notably, an allocation of $10 million will support the implementation of a pilot Safe Quality Food SQF certification initiative for medium-sized businesses to increase exports.
Accreditation can be described as the cornerstone in the architecture of international trade. That's how important it is. The World Trade Organization notes that accredited conformity assessment reduces technical barriers to trade by ensuring that products and services meet international standards.
The ministry will carry out its industrial development and regulatory functions at a cost of over $2.4 billion. Over $919 million of this will go towards developing micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises through the ministry's MSME office and activities of the Jamaica Business Development Corporation, JBDC. This allocation includes $94.3 million to support the continued implementation of the Digital Transitioning Program for Jamaica. And the Cannabis Licensing Authority is allotted $540 million for its work to develop that industry. Government is also investing $976.99 million to protect businesses. This will be done through the activities of entities such as the Jamaica Intellectual Property Office, the Anti-Dumping Commission, and the Regulation of Insolvency, Cooperative Services, and Industrial Provident Societies. The Program of Consumer and Public Protection is getting over $971.1 million. This will finance the work of the Consumer Affairs Commission, the Fair Trading Commission, the Food Storage and Prevention of Infestation Division, and the Hazardous Substance Regulatory Authority. It includes $100 million to meet the cost of redundancy arising from the merger of the Fair Trading Commission and the Consumer Affairs Commission.
As Jamaica's business minister, I am dedicated to working with stakeholders to develop a strategic roadmap for market expansion while leveraging our existing strongholds in traditional markets.
Strengthening trade promotion and development is a major focus for the ministry, with a projected spend of over $2.6 billion. This will fund the trade facilitation and investment development activities, improving the ability of service providers, manufacturers, and agricultural producers to effectively engage in international trade, building global relationships to drive investment and exports, and providing investment and export promotion services to key markets. Over $1 billion will cover investment and export promotional services that focus on market sectors in tourism, agriculture, mining and energy services, the creative industries, business process outsourcing, manufacturing, logistics, and infrastructure. $234 million is going towards supporting the Jamaica Screen Development Initiative.
The work of JAMPRO in promoting and facilitating FDI and LDI is well known. When we attract capital from international investors, FDI enhances Jamaica's productive capacity and stimulates innovation across various business sectors. It also provides funding for infrastructure development.
The work of the Jamaica International Financial Services Authority will be carried out with a budget of $92 million. Over $773 million is budgeted to finance the work of the Special Economic Zone Authority to regulate and supervise the development of Special Economic Zones (SEZs), and $1.38 billion will fund the operations of the Company's Office of Jamaica. This is how the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce is investing in the development of business in Jamaica for fiscal year 2025-2026.